Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about an airdrop called Dawn Network. This isn't a new project, but if you haven't joined yet, then don't miss out. It's very easy to join and you don't need to do anything. Just run it in the background of your browser like Grass or Nodepay. So Dawn is a Depin protocol by Andrena built on Solana that enables users to buy, sell and share internet bandwidth to create an affordable decentralized wireless network. As you can see, it has already raised around 35.5 million in funding and is backed by some tier 1 investors like Dragonfly Capital and along with lots of tier 2, 3 and 4 investors. So this is a really strong project. If you visit their X handle, as you can see at the time of making this video, they have reached over 500k followers and they are active there and update their project information, which is another positive sign for a project. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now let's move on how you can join this airdrop. First, you need to download the official extension. I'll provide the link in the description, or you can download it from Chrome Web Store. As you can see, they have already got 1 million users and that's a huge number. Now download the extension and install it. Now open the extension and click continue. Here you need to create an account, so click register. Then you need to fill out this form. So here you can use my referral code, which I'll provide in the description. Now agree the terms and click create account. Next, you need to verify your email. For that, go to your email and check the spam folder. Here you will see the verification email, but here's the problem, you can't click the link directly. So to verify, copy this link and paste it to your browser. And now click verify account. So finally our account is verified. Now open the extension, enter real login information, solve the captcha, and click login. As you can see, we are logged in now. Here in the dashboard, you will see your total points. You can also refer your friends to boost your earnings. So as you can see, our mining has started and is counting points, and that's it. For updates, you can join our Telegram channel where we share all the latest updates. If you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.